Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please join me. For work I will use 6mm crochet hook and a ball of wool yarn. All information about the tools could be found in the description of this video. And in this video tutorial you will see how to crochet my unique stitch pattern made in Tunisian technique. Let's crochet the pattern. I will begin from the foundation chain. Make a chain of 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. My foundation chain is ready. Then make a chain. Then insert the hook into the second chain stitch away from the hook. Make slip stitch into each chain stitch of the foundation chain, like this. So keep working in this way till the end of this row. Pattern consists of one stitch and has 4 rows. I'm about to complete this row. As I told you before, my pattern consists of 4 rows. 3 of them are rows of slip stitches. Continue, make a chain, pull it, turn the work, insert the hook into the back loop, make slip stitch. This is row 2. Work with back loops only. There is front and back loops. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. Here what I have. I'm about to complete row 2. Make a chain, turn the work, and work with row 3. Make slip stitch into each back loop. There is back loop. Insert the hook into the back loop. Make slip stitch. Keep working this way till the end of this row. I'm about to complete row 3. Insert the hook into the last back loop. Make a slip stitch. And let's crochet row 4. Let's crochet the chain. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. For the chain, I didn't pull my chains. Turn the work like this. And this is the back side of the chain that is closer to me. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch away from the hook. Pull up a loop 1, 2, and this is the third one, 3. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second one. I work with back loop of this stitch, insert the hook into the back loop, pull up a loop. I have got 5 loops on the hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 1, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops. I mark. This is the second stitch. I didn't work with this chain stitch, so I mark it. Then I will work with it later. So I will work with it in the next row when I'm crocheting slip stitches. Continue. Insert the hook from the back like this. This is my stitch. Insert the hook from the back like this. And pull up a loop like this. Insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the back loop, pull up a loop. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops. Let's do it together again. Insert the hook from the back, pull up a loop 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop. Pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops. Insert the hook around the stitch from the back, pull up a loop 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops. Keep working this way till the end of this row, then I will show you how to complete it. Let's look at the back side. It is very unusual and simple at the same time. You just need to know how to crochet in Tunisian crochet technique. I am about to complete this row. And now I show you how to complete this row with me. Insert the hook around the stitch from the back to the front, pull up a loop 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook into the back loop, pull up a loop. I have got 5 loops on the hook, pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And make one more time. 1, 2, and 3. Insert the hook into the back loop, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 1, 2, 3, and 4. My row is ready. It is very beautiful and quick to make pattern. And this is the another side. And now I show you how to crochet the second piece of the pattern. Let's crochet the row of slip stitches. I'm crocheting in the same way as I showed you before. Make a chain, turn the work, and make slip stitch into each back loop. So I'm crocheting slip stitches in 3 rows, and the 4th row will be a row of my unique stitches. Now work with back loops only. Pattern consists of 4 rows and has 1 stitch. So crochet slip stitches till the stitch marker. Remove the stitch marker. Insert the hook into this chain stitch. Make a slip stitch. Well done. Make a chain, pull it, turn the work. I am working the same way as I showed you in the previous row. I skip the chain stitch and work with back loops only. I remind you, in total it should be 3 rows of slip stitches. I'm working on the second one and the third one, and you should make the third one by yourself. So it could be perfect to create handband or clothes or another accessories for home or kitchen. But in this case you should use another kind of yarn. And make the last slip stitch, then make a chain, turn the work and work with the second stitch, work with back loops of the stitch, make slip stitches. Keep working this way till the end of this row, then you should work with the third row by yourself. I'm about complete row 3. Let's make the last stitch and let's crochet row 4 of the second piece of the pattern. Make a chain of 4 for the next row, turn the work, I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop 1, 2 and 3. Well done. I skip the next stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, I insert the hook into the back loop of this stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Please mark the chain stitch that I skipped before. So I will work with this chain stitch in the next row when I will finish the next row. And pull up a loop 1, 2, 3 and 4, then pull through 2 loops, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, 1, 2, 3 and 4, then pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops. Let's stop and look. Keep working in this way as many rows as you need for your project. Then I will show you my ready swatch. Here what I have at this point, I have done my pattern twice, so I'm done 8 rows. Pattern consists of 4 rows and has 1 stitch. Don't be afraid to experiment, to create your personal project, and write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use my patterns. All additional information about the tools, kind of tools and useful links could be found in the description of each video tutorial. For this video, you just need to know how to work with slip stitches, chains and Tunisian crochet. See you next time and good luck in crocheting. Bye!